In 2007, the mobile application became the primary way we interact with software. Today, those apps drive a $200 billion global economy. But this economy is heavily taxed, with companies like Apple and Google taking up to a 30% cut of revenue for providing the digital storefront. The model requires users to manually route data between silos, switching between a calendar, a messaging service, and a rideshare app to coordinate a single event. Nothing CEO Carl Pei predicts AI will eradicate this entire ecosystem, replacing the icons on your home screen with systems that act autonomously on your behalf. Traditional user interfaces have become bottlenecks to productivity. Intent-based systems allow users to state a goal, and the software executes the multi-step process needed to achieve it. Instead of opening 4 separate apps, an assistant simultaneously negotiates with the interfaces of multiple services to coordinate a complex task in the background. This relies on agentic AI, models designed to go beyond answering questions to take autonomous, multi-step actions. This agent layer threatens the massive revenue of App Store monopolies. If users stop opening individual apps, the platform gatekeepers lose their leverage and their 30% cut. Hardware makers without an existing app store are highly incentivized to bypass these gatekeepers and compete directly on native AI integration. The shift transfers control from the platforms that host software to the AI orchestrators that manage it. The high-stakes battle for agentic dominance has moved into the enterprise software market. OpenAI recently pivoted, abandoning its strategy of launching standalone products to focus on a unified platform. The company is consolidating ChatGPT, its browser Atlas, and its coding platform Codex into a single desktop super app. This consolidation responds to Anthropic's success in capturing enterprise customers by automating complex professional workflows. By integrating Codex, a model trained to understand and write programming languages, the AI gains the ability to write and execute scripts directly on a user's machine. The Super App demonstrates how an AI agent can move from simply chatting to managing the core logic of a computer system. Expanding this autonomous agency from the digital desktop out into the physical world is the necessary next logical step. Huawei's Intelligent World 2035 report argues that reaching human-level intelligence requires integration with physical reality. This integration enables embodied intelligence, AI agents acting with physical autonomy to manage self-optimizing factories or smart energy grids. Current models identify data patterns, but lack a deep understanding of physical causality. Next-generation multimodal sensors, systems that process multiple types of input, like sight and sound, at once, will allow AI to perceive and interact with its surroundings in real time. The AI revolution matures as a cognitive entity, proactively reshaping physical reality. Deploying billions of these autonomous agents by 2035 requires a massive scaling of global infrastructure. This chart shows the projected demand. Global computing capacity must increase 100,000-fold to meet the processing requirements of a post-app world. This requires a move past the von Neumann architecture, where memory and processing are physically separate, toward optical or neuromorphic computing, mimicking biological brains. Intelligence will be embedded directly into energy networks to create self-adaptive, sustainable power grids. Managing a transition of this scale requires rigorous international collaboration and unified regulations to ensure the reliability of these autonomous systems. The end of the smartphone app era signals the true beginning of a physical rewiring of human infrastructure.